What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of my 2023 planner. I am hoping that this will be a quick one, so let's jump right in and get started. Okay, so let's just start with the basics. This planner is from Purple Trail. I have done so many videos featuring their planners for the last, I don't even know, several years. I think dating back to 2016. So as far as the basics go, I always choose the larger size, which is an 8.5 by 11. I also always choose the hardcover. I love the larger version so that I have room to write. And I like the hardcover so I don't have to worry about damaging it. This is the cover that I chose for 2023. I love the color combination that it has. It's like neutral with that big pop of blue. So here you can see I did keep a lot of what I had from 2022 the same. I also added a few different like areas or spots to cover different areas of my life. So on the all the way top here I have family moments. I just added this little spot up here so that I can kind of keep track of what I film, what we do, just to keep me organized with that. Then I have this weekly quote. This is something that I had last year. I did add some lines for the family moments and the weekly quote just so that I can keep my writing as straight as possible. I can't stand when I start writing in a diagonal. And then I have my weekly focus, kind of like the theme of the week. Some weeks are really busy and I know they're going to be, and then other weeks I kind of want dedicated to just kind of winding down, relaxing. I just want kind of a reminder on what my focus is going to be about for each particular week. Then I have my to-do list. This I shortened up a little bit. I added hearts down here for like time sensitive things that need to be done, and then the remaining spots, pretty much those can be done whenever. They're a rolling list, so whether they get done that week of or a few weeks later, I'm able to just kind of reference back each week and kind of see what I still want to do, whereas the space with the hearts are more things that need to be done that week. Going back over here, I have a section for my priority of the week, my house project of the week. I have both of my children's names for reminders that I need to do for them. And then this is another new section, my weekly meal planner. The font is very small, which it needed to be able to fit, but it's got a space for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and then it has Monday through Sunday on the side here. And then down below that, I have a section for what bills are due each week. Then I have a space for places and contacts. Like I've mentioned, I like to get all of my errands done on the same day if I can. So I like to group them all together so I know where I need to go, what I need to bring with me, drop off, return. And then if I need to make any phone calls, that's another thing I like to do all in one day. So it kind of just batches those areas together. And then another new section here is my orders. I do like to keep track of what I order so that I can make sure that it is delivered and received. I just quickly write down where I order from and the date so that it's all together. Moving on to the other side of the page, I have a section for my thoughts and notes. Just anything that doesn't already have a place on this page. And then I have mind over body, just different things that I want to try to do to better my health, both mentally and physically. This is my little spot for YouTube. So that all covers this one page. There's so many different areas on this one page. That is what I love about these planners, is that you are literally able to fit every aspect of your life on especially 2 pages, but you guys can see just how much I filled for this one page. So this left page here is more of like a weekly overview, a weekly plan, what I want to get done for the entire week in all these different areas of my life. And then if you move over to the right hand side, it kind of breaks things down by day. In this section, this first column here, I pretty much just write what we have going on each day. And then in the middle section here, I have kind of two little areas. I have this colorful spot to write and then a blank spot. I wanted to kind of add two different areas that could be used for two different purposes. So this colorful one is just the main thing that I want to get done. This blank area I'm just going to use for birthdays, holidays, and then I also have a weekly to-do list. So this is just stuff that I need to get done every week. I did not have this last year. So all of this was stuff that I was constantly having to fill out each week, which it got tiring. So that is really nice to have what I want to do each day, each week already written down. All right, so going over this as quick as I can. I have bedrooms. I want my focus for cleaning to be on bedrooms, water plants, wash the laundry. On Tuesday, we have laundry, fold it. I want my area of focus to be on the dining room. Wednesday, again, wash the laundry, clean the family room. Saturday is just a cleaning of the kitchen. And then Sunday is like a whole house clean, a reset for the week. I also have a little spot here that I want to focus on kind of just treating myself and making sure that I'm taking care of myself. Down here on Sunday, I have my favorite moments, just something to kind of be grateful for with each week. And then I have a third column over here. This is specifically for like my physical health. I can kind of keep a very general record of what I'm doing. There's not too much space here for me to get detailed at all. Under that, these are supposed to be little cups to kind of keep me on track with drinking enough water. Like I said, so much is on these 2 pages alone. All of the graphics, the little sunflowers here. I have a feather up here, little hummingbird, little plant, the hearts that I already talked about, the butterflies, another plant. Those are all totally customizable. I have an elephant up here. You can add them, you can not have any images at all on your weekly spread. You can make them bigger, smaller. There's just so many options, which is why I always will recommend Purple Trail planners. I've already began to work on my 2024 planner, things that I wish I would have added to my 2023 planner. So it's constantly changing. Things are getting added, things are getting taken out. I'm always monitoring the areas that I do use, and then I just get rid of the areas that I don't end up needing. And make space for some new things. So you have a referral code down in the description box if you are interested in creating your own planner for the new year. I can't imagine going through the year without a planner, and more specifically without this one, because it just covers all of the areas I feel to be important. So if you are interested in customizing a planner, I know we are already in 2023. I believe it takes about a week to receive your planner. It's always a good time to start planning. And another great thing about Purple Trail, which I don't know if I've ever mentioned, is you can start it on any month you want. So if you want to begin your planner for February, you don't miss out on a month. You can have it start February 1st and be right on track with a full 12 months. Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was informative and it covered everything. Again, if you want to see more of an in-depth review of these planners, I definitely suggest checking out any of my past Purple Trail planner videos. I always add the additional pocket to the back of my planner. I also add some additional sections. So that is what my 2023 planner is looking like. Here is the back, pretty identical to the front. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and join my YouTube family. And if you can give this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that as well. I hope to chat with you guys in the comment section, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.